Now, the country has its first ever portable quantum computer.
The Philippines is now in its quantum era.
These systems leverage properties of physics that defy logic in the conventional sense you and I know it. I want you to remember 4 words: harvest now, decrypt later. Quantum computers are coming.
Your encrypted messages today could be decrypted tomorrow. Malicious actors are harvesting encrypted data right now. Banking records, medical files, confidential communications, waiting for quantum computers powerful enough to crack them. The experts say we have less than a decade. Majik Message protects your communications against both today's threats and tomorrow's quantum computers. Using NIST-standardized post-quantum encryption, the same standard governments are adopting worldwide. Most secure messaging apps require your phone number, creating a centralized database of who talks to whom. The service provider sees your entire social network. Majik Message separates identity from infrastructure. Your encryption identity is 12 words, no phone number needed. Offline, no email, now real-time, email for relay only. For offline encryption, no registration at all. For real-time chat, just an email to access the relay, but your contacts and messages stay private. Your social graph never touches our servers. Here's how it works. Type any message. It encrypts instantly using post-quantum ML-KEM-768. Copy this encrypted text and send it anywhere: email, Slack, SMS. Even if someone intercepts it, they can't read it. Only your intended recipient can decrypt it, and it works completely offline, no internet required. Our Chrome extension even detects and decrypts messages automatically on any web page. For real-time messaging, create a free Majikah Relay account with just your email. Email used only for relay access, not for identity. Your encryption identity stays separate. Select a contact, type your message, delivered in milliseconds with the same post-quantum encryption. Messages auto-delete after 24 hours for enhanced privacy. Works across web, desktop, and mobile. Here's what makes this unique. Your encryption identity is separated from the relay service. Offline encryption needs nothing. Real-time features need an email for the relay, but your actual identity, contacts, and message contents stay private. For formal communications, contracts, legal negotiations, compliance, use threads. Every message is cryptographically linked to the previous one, creating a tamper-proof audit trail. If anyone tries to change history, everyone knows immediately. Deletion requires unanimous agreement from all participants. Export threads, verify their integrity, and maintain legally defensible records. Your private keys never leave your device. All encryption happens locally in your browser or app. The Majik Message Relay only sees encrypted envelopes and routing information. We can't read your messages even if we wanted to. True zero-knowledge architecture. Majik Message is built for organizations requiring FIPS 203 compliance. Legal and healthcare professionals handling confidential data. Journalists protecting sensitive sources. Anyone who values privacy and security. The quantum threat isn't theoretical. It's a timeline. Protect your communications now before it's too late. Try Majik Message free today. No credit card required. Post-quantum security, just like magic.